What is an original work of authorship in copyright? Imagine creating something entirely your own that no one else has made before. That's the core idea behind an original work of authorship in copyright law. It's a piece of work that qualifies for copyright protection because it is created independently by an author and contains at least a small amount of creativity. Copyright protection doesn't cover ideas or facts, only the specific way they are expressed. To be protected, your work must be fixed in a tangible form. That means it has to be recorded or written down in a way that others can see, hear, or reproduce. For example, a written story, a recorded song, or a digital image all count because they are captured in a physical or digital medium. If your work exists only in your mind or spoken aloud without recording, it isn't protected by copyright. What kind of works qualify? Well, they include literary works like books and articles, musical compositions whether with or without lyrics, plays, dance routines, visual arts like paintings and sculptures, movies, television shows, sound recordings, and even architectural designs. Basically, if it's a creative expression fixed in a physical form, it can be an original work of authorship. It's important to understand what isn't protected. Ideas, procedures, methods, systems, principles, or discoveries are not copyrightable. Only the specific way you express those ideas in a fixed form is protected. For example, you can't copyright the idea of a new game, but you can copyright the rules if you write them down in a clear, fixed way. Many creators make a common mistake by thinking that just having an idea or concept is enough for copyright protection. But remember, copyright only covers the expression of your idea, not the idea itself. Also, copying someone else's work without transforming it or creating something independently can lead to legal trouble. Always make sure your work is original and fixed in a medium to avoid copyright issues. Another mistake is not fixing your work in a tangible form. If you perform a song live but don't record it or write down the lyrics, you might not have copyright protection. Fixation is a key requirement. And don't confuse originality with novelty. Your work doesn't have to be completely new or unique in the way a patent requires. It just needs to be created independently and contain some creative element. Even if your work resembles another, it can still be original if you made it yourself without copying. Knowing these facts helps you protect your creative efforts properly. It also helps you avoid common legal errors that could cost you rights or lead to disputes. So, always focus on creating original fixed works and understand what the law actually covers.